along the side of Salt River stretch. Go around this is the key on the ledge. Pass it for me. Around the Salt River stretch, where two young men are actually fishing. Hi gentlemen, morning. I'm from Fish Keeping Jamaica. I'm just looking to see what's going on. I have a fish keeping channel, Fish Keeping Jamaica. So you are fishing in this water. What the size fish you usually catch?
They are very big, but some of them can run.
Big like tilapia or smaller than tilapia? You know the freshwater fish? Or you would buy the redfish? Them not so big.
Yeah, some of them in there bigger than that.
Okay.
Maybe last week we took out somebody shoot one, but they couldn't find him. He just float up on the water, one bigger one.
Okay. Any crocodiles? You have seen any crocodiles in this water?
Yeah, but not down here, sir.
Yeah.
Up there, sir.
Up the top. Okay. You see any of the fish, the ugly fish, what they call tank cleaners? I remember once I saw one.
They're in there, sir.
Eh?
They're in there, sir.
Okay, cool. What they call those fish at the top? Janga, right?
Yes.
And how big they get?
They get big. They might big fish where they swim around, but they take a long to grow.
Okay. Because I got some the other day from somebody who came along the river down there, so, and them are grow big in my aquarium, right? And them actually beat up my goldfish, my baby goldfish. Take out my goldfish fin and my tail, so my goldfish that swim upside down, right down. You understand? I about 5 of them. I just catch about another 6. As I say, you can check on my YouTube channel, Fish Keeping Jamaica. And probably you might get some interesting tips as to how to catch some fish. But it works better when you fish at night, you know, when them see them now come out. You see what I mean, brother? So if you throw it over in there so and just stay away from the water, don't make a shadow go in the water, you find that the fish them kind of gravitate to it more, but them sensitive to light and them sensitive to movement. So them see you move on the top, them now gonna get the bait. So like in a night when you can come out and fish them now, see them just see the thing and rare. So night fishing kinda get easier. And what you could do, you could tie a stone on the line. Like tie a stone on the line and then you tie the bait underneath the bottom of the stone. So the stone would actually sink into the water with the bait. You understand? Instead of the fish coming up to it, because the fish sensitive to what you call it now, light and movement, it will be down there to him. So by the time you hold on the string, right, you feel the dragging. So it's a normal fish where them call it weight. Yeah, like you have the different type of weight. You understand? It's an advice then. As I say, I have a fish keeping channel, and it will be good if you just browse and to see what's going on. Alright, cool. Wow, you have some cichlids down there. Some fish right there. I don't know if you can see them, but they are in a natural habitat. The lady in which I spoke to a while ago said they call them longmouth, but they have about 3 of them. Look good, you might see them. Right, they are swimming at the very bottom of the channel. The channel seems to be shallow, probably about 4 to 5 feet in height. But you have a lot of green vegetation which stretch up the channel, as was suggested to me. Several crocodiles exist in this water. So wow, they have some ducks, right? So this is like a natural ecosystem for wildlife, aquatic wildlife, should I say, where you have ducks, small fish, big fish, crocodiles, plecos, to name a few, even crabs. Okay, this is really an interesting feature. I hope you find it as much interesting as I do.